Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Wills, and in lesson 2, I welcome you all. Now, this is a progression from the first lesson where we learned about different types of ads. Now, just in review, we learned that in digital marketing we have different types of ads. For example, we have on YouTube, we have YouTube thumbnails. On Facebook, we have Facebook covers, we have Facebook ads. On Pinterest, we have pins, and there's so much you can create online. Now, so that was just a review of the previous first lesson. Now, in this second lesson, we'll cover the software and tools that you can use for creating your designs. So, the objectives of this lesson, number one, is to help you learn about softwares that you can use to create digital ads. Then the second objective is for you to start creating a free account that you can use for creating ads. Then I will also briefly mention about the account options based on the account that we'll be using. So for the software solutions, we have the traditional softwares that are mostly offline, whereby you download the software, then install it on your PC, then you can create designs. Now, examples of such software include Photoshop, include Illustrator, they include CorelDRAW, and other offline softwares. Then the second lot, we have the modern digital software apps that are used for graphic design. Now, these are online softwares. Online means that you must have your computer online on the internet, and you need to create an account for you to start using that software application. Now, examples in this category, we have the Canva, we have InVideo, and we have the Creator, and any other online application that is used for graphic design. Now, let me introduce you to this awesome software called Canva. Now, Canva is a graphic design software. Now, this software is online, and there is a bunch of things that you can do with Canva. Now, unlike the traditional graphic design softwares like Photoshop, Canva gives you quite a number of options. Now, first, the software is easy to use in that you can just drag and drop as you design your poster or presentation or social media post, and so much. There's just so much you can do with this software, and it has a free version. With the free version, you can do a lot with this software. You can create content that you can post on YouTube using this software. You can create content that you can post on Instagram using this software. You can create all manner of content using this simple to use tool. So for designers and publishers, this is the great software. Now for beginners, this is also a very good software that can get you started, and you can start making money immediately if you learn to do simple designs, like how to design a logo. It's a very simple graphic design that you can do using Canva. So we'll be learning more about this software, but I just wanted to introduce you to the software so that you know what we are going to be using. So now to create an account with Canva, which will be the focus of our training. Now you just need to go to the website called canva.com. You can do this by going to Google search. You search for Canva. See that? Then you go to this first link, click on it. It will take you to canva.com. Now this is where you will be able to do your work. Now for you to do your work, you need to create a free account. So for starters, you go to this blue tab and you click on it. You'll be able to create an account either using Facebook. If you are logged in your Facebook account, you can sign up. You can also use Google to sign up. You can also use your Gmail account. So it should not take you a long time. Between 1 to 5 minutes, you should be able to have your Canva account. Then from there, you will learn how to create the different designs. Now once you've logged into your Canva account, you'll be able to access all these templates. For example, if you want to create a poster, you click on the poster. You see that? Then it will give you this dimension, this whiteboard area. It's called canvas, where you start creating your designs. So for the tour, you just need to skip the tour, or you can, if you are a starter, you can take the tour. Yeah, so that's it for creating an account and starting to create designs.